My dog is literally like under my makeup table right now, and you are making everything move. Okay, so excuse me for looking like crap, but I wanted to make a video. For the past month I have been sick with the flu. It has been terrible. I have like the lowest, look, there he is right there. That's Junior. Come here. So for the past month, I have like the most terrible immune system. I don't know why. I always get sick quickly, but I'm recuperating. I'm trying. So anyway, I'm just gonna do 2 videos in one, which is my Ipsy unboxing and also my BoxyCharm. I'm sorry if you guys can see my little baby down here. His name is Junior. He's 8 years old, but he loves pets and cuddles, and today he just wants to just follow me everywhere. So I'm gonna try my best to do what I can to do my videos with Junior down there moving everything. You need to come over here. You're moving everything. Come over here. Sit. Okay. There he is. He wants the cuddles. Okay, so let's start off, I guess, with the Ipsy. Okay, I did get 2 masks. These are, I guess, the vitamin F. I've never heard of vitamin F. This is absolutely brand new to me. And then the other one is a vitamin C velvet mask. So let's see. The vitamin the vitamin F mask, bless you, Junior, is a hypoallergenic moisturizing mask. Contains vitamin F to deeply moisturize, condition the skin. I've never heard of vitamin F. So this controls oil and, you know, oh wow, and moisture balance of dry skin. So that's pretty interesting. The next one is a vitamin C mask. This is from, so it says here, velvet mask. A hypoallergenic intensive brightening mask, contains vitamin C to brighten skin and encourage clear complexion. So I absolutely love face mask, and when I get face mask from Ipsy, it's pretty exciting. Oh my god, my hair looks terrible, but I already told you guys what's up. And then this is the bag this month. I actually think that it's really pretty with the little eyelashes, but let's get in here and see what I got. So this is a postcard, and it says the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. So that's pretty awesome. I did get a little Luxie brush, and this is a detailed blender brush from Luxie. I do love their brushes. I have no complaints. I would probably use this for like the outer corner to blend that section. That's going in my brush pile already. And then the next thing I have in here is from Morphe. Oh wow, Morphe. I think this is the first time I've ever seen Morphe in here. And this is a high impact highlighter illuminator. So, ow! Let's open this. And see. I am struggling with these freaking nails. I'm gonna have to break the box. Okay, I'm just gonna break the box because I'm not used to acrylics and I am struggling with these nails, but all right, I got this. I did it. So this is from Morphe, and it is in the color Spark. So this is a highlighter. Let's check this out. I don't even have foundation on or anything, but I'm just gonna try it on because you could never go wrong with some sparkle in your life. I'm gonna go in with a big brush. Let's see. I have my glasses on too. Oh, but I like this. This is pretty cool. Like, wow, it's yellow. Okay. I like it. It's pretty glowy, pretty cool. Okay. I done going in my little highlighter drawer right there, and then I have two other things right here. This one is a, I guess it's a lip crayon, so it says mini lip glaze in the color English Rose, and it is from the company Trustique. Actually, let me put all this back in here because I'm gonna take a picture of it later. Where's that brush at? Right here. Okay. And the face mask. Okay. And then we have a matte bronzer from Hannah Lee. And that's pretty interesting. I mean, it is tiny. It might work for my skin tone, but I'm not pretty sure. But let's see how that works. And then, what is this? So, this is sort of like a lip crayon. What I do like about this is that it is a little glossy. It's not like matte dry. So, I actually do like this very much. And I like the color too. Now, moving on to the BoxyCharm. So this is the card, and pretty much it says wildflowers, and it shows, you know, the list of all the products that are in here. This month we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 products, and I was supposed to get the MAC blush, but I don't see it in here. I guess I'll email them and see what happened to that. Oh my god, my hair looks crazy, but I need to dye it. I can't do too much to it. But anyway, let's get in here. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brightened Tropic Hues. Let's try to, I've never tried these, but this is pretty cool. It has like a little sheen to it. I kind of like this. Like, you know, it's like a little glow blush. I don't know. Mind you guys, I have no foundation on right now. And then, so I really like this blush. And then we have a Butter London Glazing Lustrous Liner. Oh, so I didn't even say the prices. So the prices for the blush, it is $28. This liner is $19. Oh, I like that. I really like liquid. The felt tip, but it's pretty black, pretty fine. So that's pretty cool. Then we have the brushes. And the brushes retail for $18. You're gonna drop my backdrop, Junior. Okay. So, the brushes are pretty cool. They are from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's called Ojitos Brush Set. But here they are. I really like the green. I absolutely love these brushes. This is a cute blender brush, a packing brush, and sort of like I don't know. I would probably use this for like a bottom shader. But that's pretty interesting. Then we have this. This is a liquid lipstick from Hank and Henry. It retails for $17. I think this is a liquid lipstick, I'm not sure, but I like the fact that it looks like a regular lipstick inside. So it feels like you're gonna just pull it out, but here comes out a wand. That's really different. I mean, I haven't seen it, but it's also a very beautiful shade. Definitely a shade that I will use. And smells good. And then the last thing that we have in here is from one of my favorite companies as well, which is Pretty Vulgar, and this retails for $35. This is the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. And oh, it is absolutely beautiful. This palette is so pretty. Oh, I don't even want to touch it. I think I'm gonna save it. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it because might save it to give it to someone due to the fact that I have a lot of these colors in other palettes. But this is an absolutely beautiful palette, very decent size. The packaging is pretty, and that is pretty much it. That's everything that I got in my Ipsy this month and everything that I got in my BoxyCharm. Like I said before, excuse the crazy hair, but I am sick and I'm trying to make this video the best way that I can, and sometimes you just gotta wing it even if you look like crap. But anyway, guys, bye bye until next time.